Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to today's cleaning video where we are doing a relaxing clean with me here in 2021. So I'm just giving you a little overview of our kitchen as this is the main focus of today's video. And as you can see, it was a total mess. So I hope that this video will give you lots of cleaning motivation. I'm keeping the music super relaxing and we are just gonna go ahead and jump right on in. So I'm just starting off by going ahead and clearing off the counters and putting this cereal into these bins that I got off of Amazon. So go ahead, put me up on whatever device, clean along with me, and let's get to it. So I am just wiping down the counters and the stove really quickly just with some dish soap and water before I go ahead and actually give it a deep clean. Today's video is just a quick burst of cleaning motivation, so I hope that this gives you lots and lots of motivation to tackle your own mess. So I am just using my multi-purpose spray by Method in the sea salt and lime scent, and I'm just going ahead, I wiped down all of the counters and now I'm cleaning the dishwasher, and we are going to get on into the stove as well. So for the stove, this is the cleaning product that I am using. I find that it works really good if I use a scrub brush with it. And so I actually love using this little scrub brush that I got from the dollar store. I use it here on my stove as well as when I'm cleaning my kitchen sink.
Just
Now that I got the stovetop all clean, I am now going ahead and just wiping down the rest of the stove with my Method all-purpose spray cleaner again. And I'm also going to get in between the little cracks of the stove here. I like to actually take a knife and like put it in the middle of my cloth and then just swipe it. And it really helps to get into like the nitty-gritty cracks. I also use this hack when I clean out my refrigerator and just any like small cracks and crevices. I think it is just the easiest way to really get in there. And I'm also using the Method cleaner while doing this hack as well. Now, I would love to know where you're watching from today. Let me know in the comments. And I also am really curious how long you have been watching my channel. So if you have been with me since I have been in direct sales, I would love to know. Or if you are fairly new, let me know in the comments as I'm really curious. For some reason, the top of my fridge just kind of becomes a dumping ground. I think it's because I don't have a junk drawer, and it also is like the one place in my kitchen that our dog can't reach. She is really bad when it comes to food, so we literally cannot leave anything on the countertops, otherwise she'll eat it. And so everything just kind of gets thrown on the top of my fridge. So I feel like I'm constantly cleaning up here and it just gets dirty often. But now I'm just going to throw this little decor piece here on my kitchen counter as I'm all done cleaning on top of my fridge. And now we're going to go ahead and clean off my refrigerator on the outside before moving on to our bathroom.
Figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed.
So I am using the same cleaner here in my bathroom, but I am really excited. In my next video on Monday, I am going to be sharing a clean and undecorate with me, and I'm going to be sharing some new cleaning products in that video as well, and lots of cleaning motivation. So make sure that you hit the red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family and hit the bell so you are notified when I upload a new video. I do post cleaning motivational videos twice a week, and I am really excited for the holiday season and what's to come. I do go all out for Christmas. It is actually the only holiday that I really truly like decorate for. Like, I'm talking crazy. So I'm so excited to bring out the Christmas decor. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I am ending it with a bath. I was really tired on this day and I just wanted to get some quick cleaning motivation in for you guys. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button again to join our growing YouTube family, and we will see you guys next week. Bye.